you are currently working for someone, it's your personal best product, then why are you wasting your time? It's not so much on how much you know and how well you do. It's about how you can bring up your personal best by surrounding with people that is already showing their personal best. This is a place you can unleash your potential.
Tonight's event is really inspiring.
The turnout was amazing. Energy is good.
Definitely a very good event that ERA has organized.
They cater a down-to-earth dialogue session.
Even the speakers were so passionate.
I feel it's very genuine. I hope that我可以在 ERA 就是生根再发芽。
Come choose ERA. Looking forward to see you.